Welcome. In this video, we'll see how to easily assemble your 3-door poultry carrier crate. Before starting the assembly, separate carefully the panels from each other and remove any protective packaging. First, install the long side wall by aligning the pegs of the side panel with the holes in the base. Then, attach the second side panel the same way. Now, let's install the short side walls with the door. Before securing the door wall, make sure that the door handle is on the left side, and the door opens outward, to the right. The cage handle is positioned at the top. Once everything is properly aligned, attach the short side panel to the base by aligning the bottom pegs with the holes. Press straight down to lock the panel in place. The long side panel needs to be positioned inside the ledges of the door wall. Now, attach the second side panel to the base in the same manner. The final step is to install the top panel. Align the top panel with the edges, then push down on all 4 corners. Secure the top panel by pressing down firmly along all edges. Finally, place the mat underneath to protect the surface from any mess. You can also place the mat on top if you plan to stack multiple crates. Your 3-door poultry carrier crate is now completely assembled and ready to use.